Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to cut and sew 6-piece skirt on Ankara fabric, a very simple way. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to Samira Z fashion channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe now.
All right, we are making our 6-piece skirt. So this is it. Your cloth should be on fold. I've folded my, this is it. It's on fold now. So we want to do the measurement of the skirt. So the measurement of the skirt is 36. So we'll add 2 inches, making it 38. So this is it. So you mark, this is your 38. So you roll it. That should be on the hemline. So this is the hemline now. So now we'll go back to the measurements. This measurement we are using now is a small measurement. That is what I mean, this hip. The hip is 36. So we are making the hip 36. That's what we want to use on that center line, 3.5. We are marking 3.5 on the center line. So I'm marking my 3.5 because of how the measurement is. So we have gotten it. So you now measure from that your waist to get your half cut, half line on your skirt that we want to make. What do we have here? We have 16. The person measurement on half cut is 16. So that is it. You measure your 16 and roll it out. And rolling it. So that is the line now. So already we have 3.5. So coming to that half cut on your knee, we will now measure 3. So I'm marking 3 here. So after marking 3, what else will you do? You connect from the upper waist. Those places that will measure will mark 3.5. So you connect it. This is it. I've connected it to the half cut or the knee line. So now we connected it. So on the dark part where we will have our flare, we are adding 8. So I want to mark 8 on it. So that is it. That is the 8 here. It's marked. So you now connect it from the half cut or the knee line to the line, to the hem line. I hope you can see it very well. So that is it. We connected it from the knee line. You connect it to the hem line, like the bottom line of the skirt. So this is it. We have gotten it. You can see how it look like. So what else are we doing? We'll cut it out because this is the front side of the skirt now. We are making 6 pieces. Don't forget that. So I'm cutting. This is it. I've cut. So you continue to cut it out. That is the simple way of cutting 6 pieces that will not stress you, and you get it the way you want. So that is it. I've cut it. So I finished cutting this. This is the front side of the 6 pieces. That is the center front. You have gotten it now. So you now refold to get your center back. I'm folding it to get our center back that we want to cut. So on this fabric, I've already checked it. It doesn't have a design that you said, okay, let's go for one cutting. So now we can cut it up and down. That is what I mean. So when cutting on your fabric, you have to look at it and see how the design goes. This design is so okay. So now I want to turn it. That's why I'm just explaining it, because it doesn't have a place that you, it's okay, maybe how it goes. So this is it. Don't forget, I'm trying to put the allowance of the zip, because it's back and we are cutting now. So this allowance is enough for the back zip. So you just cut again, you cut it out. So I'm trying to push it out. I don't want to waste the material. So that is it. It's good like this. So we can cut it out now. That is the center back. So cut. I'm cutting it. Easy way of cutting your 6 pieces skirt on your fabric. So now we've gotten our front center and our back center. So you open it because of the zip. So I'm opening it now. So I hope you understand what I'm doing here. Very easy. So what else are we doing now? So now we want to cut the side skirt now. The side of the 6 pieces. Don't forget we are making 6 pieces skirts. So I want to cut the side. We're done with the center front and the center back. You can see that it's very easy. It's not a difficult thing. I'm cutting it. So you use your center front to cut it to achieve what you want. You spread it. That is what I mean. You open it. So I'm opening it so that the flare will fall at the side. So that is it. It has not really entered, so I'm just pushing it. I want it to fall together. So I'm still turning it upside and down because it doesn't have a place that you will look at if you have a design. It goes anywhere. That's why I'm just turning it the way you can see. So you spread it. I spread the center front so that it will fall on the side of the skirt. So now I want to do the measurements. So this is the side that I'm using at the side of the skirt. So what am I doing here? I'm adding 2. I want to add 2 for the allowance. So from your waist to your hip on this measurement, because this person is not too big. Remember the hip is 36. So I'm marking waist to hip 8.5. So on this waist to hip, we also give the allowance 2. On the waist is 2 that I put there. That is it. So waist to your knee line, what do we have there? Remember I said 16, so this is 16 on the line. So now we will now make the waist to the hip half length 1.5, not 2. I'm adding 1.5. The hip line is 2. The waistline is 2. While the waist to the half length on the length line is 1.5. So you connect. So you use your ruler to connect it. So this is it. Connect it waist to the hip. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I uploaded any video, you will be the first person to get it. So this is it. So now you connect it to the length. So can you see how it look like? So we have done with the side. So what else is to cut? So I want to cut it out. I'm cutting it. That is how to get your side measurement when doing your 6 pieces. So you cut out on the other side. So I'm cutting it again to open the other side. Easy way of making your 6 pieces. So easy. It's not difficult at all. So now you can see we're done with the first side of the 6 pieces. So can you see it? So this is the side. You can indicate it. I'm writing S. That is the side measurement. So this is it. We have gotten the side. So you refold your fabric. So I'm refolding it. Refold it and spread it. Don't forget that I'm turning it because of the fabric. It doesn't have a design that you say, okay, it's standing or this. No. And don't forget, when doing your material, you have to mark so that you actually know this wrong side. The wrong side is the side that you marked. So that is it. That's why I'm putting chalk to indicate it. Can you see what I'm doing now? I'll spread it again so that the flare will fall out. So we've gotten our side. What next? Just for us to cut again. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe. So I want to cut it out. So this is it. So we have gotten our one side of the 6 pieces. We are trying to get the other side so that we'll complete our measurements, or to complete our fabric. So that is it. So this is it. So easy. And I know you can agree with me that it's very easy to cut your 6 pieces. So that is it. We have done with the 6 pieces. So you can see this is it. This is it. We finished cutting it already. We've cut the center front, we cut the center back, and this is the side we are trying to cut out and finish cutting it.
Yes, we are through with today's tutorial. I hope you understood this tutorial. Please keep supporting my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.